In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Shopify app on laptop. We're going to use your web browser's built-in install feature to turn the Shopify web page you're on into a lightweight desktop app. It opens in its own window, with its own icon, so you can launch Shopify faster without a sea of tabs. This works on most modern browsers like Chrome or Edge on Windows or Mac, and the wording you see may differ slightly, but the flow is the same. With the Shopify page open in your browser, look to the very top right corner for the three dots menu. It's the icon many browsers use for More, or Settings, and More. Click that to open the menu. You'll see a list of options related to your current page and browser tools. Next, move your mouse to the option labeled Save and Share. Don't click yet, just hover over it. This expands a small submenu containing ways to keep or share the page you're viewing. If your browser uses different wording, the option will still be in this area of the menu. From that submenu, choose Install Page as App. This tells the browser to package the current Shopify page as an app-like experience using progressive web app technology. The benefit is convenience. It launches in a clean window, you get a dedicated icon, and it's easier to find from your desktop or start menu. You'll now see a confirmation prompt from the browser. Go ahead and click Install. The browser will finish creating the app and open it immediately in its own window. That's it. The Shopify app is now available on your laptop. You'll now have a dedicated icon you can launch quickly from your desktop, start menu, or dock, and each time you open it, it will behave like a standalone application while still staying up to date, since it's powered by the live website. If you don't see the exact Save and Share or Install Page as app text, make sure your browser is up to date. Then look in the same three dots menu for a similar Install or Create App option. Some browsers also show a small install icon near the address bar when a site supports this feature. To recap in one smooth sequence, open the three dots menu, hover over Save and Share, choose Install Page as App, and confirm by clicking Install. Follow those steps anytime you want a fast, app-like shortcut to Shopify on your laptop.